I just want to make sure everybody knows. You also have, what Mike's talking about is out of service criteria book. Okay, and just so you know, what this out of service criteria book does is, and I got them all over the place, you know, guys in a class C, if it's in this book here, it puts that vehicle out of service. Spiral bound safety regulation book, because it's easier to read and it has guidances in there, okay, that when I do my trainings, all right, and I try to pass these books out, in 99 I'm not going to get into CSA scores, weight 4, driver responsibility, yes, okay. However, things, you know, I showed this picture, same one. Ideally, you want to use a petcock like this to really train it good, but a driver's not going